In this video I will show you how to create blending effect in Photoshop. Select Type tool, and write your text here. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl T, and adjust your text. Press Ctrl A and set the text horizontally and vertically. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click and choose Duplicate the layer. Follow the settings. Press Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Follow the settings. Save the PSD file. Hide this layer. Go to Channels and duplicate the blue layer. Press Ctrl-L to open Levels panel. Follow the settings. Hit OK. Click here to make selection. Click here and go to Layers panel. Unhide this layer. Add layer mask. Go to Filter, Distort, choose Displace. Follow the settings. Click here and choose Blending option. Let's take slider to the right. Press Alt to break the slider. Follow the same process. Go to Color Overlay, and follow the settings. Press Ctrl J to make duplicate. That's it. Hope you liked it.